So in this particular segment, we first of all mark that all these points are at A potential because they are connected by a conducting wire, so they all are equipotential. So if I redraw this circuit, naming the central node as O, so we can redraw this circuit like this, that the current starts at A, then there are three ways by which it can go till O, each with resistance 3R, and then from O another resistance R is leading to B. So all this is equal to 3R, and then it is leading to B. So we can say that the parallel network will going to give us R, and the R and R are in combination to give you 2R. So the effective resistance for this particular problem is equal to 2R.